Welcome to the 𝐒𝐀 Japan Dealer Dashboard tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through everything you need to get started, from registering your dealer account all the way to placing bids, managing your balance, and using the exclusive tools available only to verified dealers. Let's begin. Open your browser and go to 𝐒𝐀japan.com. On the home page, locate the Become a Dealer button in the top navigation bar and click it. You will be taken to the dealer registration page. Fill in your basic information: your name, company name, email address, phone number, and country. Make sure all the details are accurate. This information will be used to verify your account. Once you submit the form, check your email inbox. You will receive a confirmation email from the 𝐒𝐀 Japan sales team. Click the verification link inside to confirm your email address. After our team reviews and approves your account, you will receive a final confirmation that your dealer account is active and ready to use. Once your account is approved, go back to 𝐒𝐀japan.com and click Login. Enter the email address and password you used during registration, then click Sign In. After logging in, you will land on your dealer dashboard. This is your central hub. On the left sidebar, you will find all the tools you need. Easily browse inventory, manage auctions, check your bids, top up your balance, view reservations, and more. Let's walk through each feature one by one. To browse the full 𝐒𝐀 Japan inventory, click on Car Listings from your dashboard. Use the search bar at the top to type in a make, model, or keyword. On the left panel, you will find filters to narrow down your results by make, model, year, price range, and more. As a verified dealer, you have full access to the entire inventory, including exclusive dealer price listings. Found a car you like? As a dealer, you can negotiate the price directly. Click the Price Negotiation button on the car detail page. Enter your desired budget, your destination country and port, and choose how you prefer to be contacted, by email, text, or phone call. Hit Submit. Our team will get back to you with the best possible price. Once you agree on a price, add the cars to your cart. In the cart, you will see a full order summary, including the total cost and your chosen shipping destination. Now here is where your dealer advantage really shows up. The Get Best Quote button. This sends your entire cart to the 𝐒𝐀 team, who will review your bulk order and offer you the lowest possible dealer rate. And here is a great perk. If all your cars fit in one container, you only pay for one container. More cars, more savings. After the 𝐒𝐀 team reviews your cart, they will send you the final rates for your bundle. To review them, go to My Bundles in your dashboard sidebar. Here you will see the final pricing for all cars in your order. Once you are happy with the quote, click Proceed to Checkout and complete your payment. As a dealer, having funds ready in your account is essential to carry out transactions without delays. This is where we talk about 𝐒𝐀 Balance, your digital 𝐒𝐀 Japan currency that allows you to act instantly. Whether that's placing a bid at auctions. To add funds, click 𝐒𝐀 Balance in your dashboard sidebar. Then click Top Up. Enter the amount you want to add and select your payment method. If you choose bank transfer, the payment will be manually verified by our team and added to your account once confirmed. To bid on your desired auctioned cars, head to Car Listings and click the Auction tab at the top. You will now see all cars currently available for auction. For each car, you can see the starting bid price, auction date, auction house, and a live countdown timer showing how long bidding is still open. You can search auction cars just like the regular inventory. Use the search bar to look up a car by lot number, make, or model. You can also filter by auction house, auction day, make, model, and price range using the left panel, making it easy to find exactly what you are looking for even across hundreds of listings. When you find a car you want to bid on, click into its detail page. Here you will see a full cost breakdown showing how much the car will cost delivered to your destination based on your bid amount. You will also see the bid suggester. a slider that gives you an idea of a competitive bid based on historical data. When you are ready, click Place a Bid. Enter your bid amount in any of our accepted currencies, then submit. As a dealer, you only pay a 5% bidding deposit compared to 10% for regular customers. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation with a link to track your bid status in your dashboard. Planning to bid on multiple cars at once? 𝐒𝐀 Japan gives dealers an exclusive tool called the auction list. Instead of placing individual bids one by one, you can group cars into lists and bid on them all together. On any auction car, click Add to List. Then select a list group, A, B, C, or D. The car will be added to that group. You can organize different cars into different groups based on your priorities. When you are ready to place bids, go to My Auction List in the sidebar. You will see all your saved cars organized by list group. Click Place a Bid for a group. A pop-up will appear showing every car in that list with its lot number and an input field for your bid amount. Enter how much you want to bid on each car and enter the total number of cars you want to win from the list. Based on this, the system will calculate your total deposit amount. When you are ready, click Continue. Choose your payment method and your bids are placed. To see the auction results, head to My Bids in your user dashboard. Your bids are organized into 3 tabs: Pending, for bids still being processed; Won, for cars you have successfully won; and Lost, for bids where another buyer placed a higher amount. Rejected tab is for the invoices that have been rejected. Click into any one car to place a purchase order and proceed with payment. The process is transparent. You always know exactly where each of your bids stands. Spotted a car you like but not ready to commit just yet? As a dealer, you can reserve it for free. On any car detail page, click the Reserve button. Enter your personal and shipping details and save your reservation for the next 12 hours, giving you time to arrange payments or make a final decision. To proceed with the payment, go to My Reservations in your sidebar and make the payment through any of our accepted methods, and the car is yours. Want to bid smarter? Use the Sales Statistics feature before placing any bid. On the car search page, click the Sold tab. Here you will see historical data on previously sold cars, including the final selling price, the date it sold, and which auction house it sold through. Search for the make and model you are planning to bid on and study what winning bids actually looked like. This way, you are not guessing. You are making a data-driven decision. That's a complete walkthrough of the 𝐒𝐀 Japan Dealer Dashboard. You now know how to register, log in, search, and buy from our inventory, use price negotiation and bundle quotes, top up your balance, browse and bid on auction cars, manage bulk bids with your auction list, check your results, reserve cars for free, search by lot number, and research past sales. Head to 𝐒𝐀japan.com to register as a dealer today and start using every one of these tools. Buy smarter, save bigger, only with 𝐒𝐀 Japan.